We've been working for several years on developing an audit product, but most of our data was in tabular format. We decided we needed to put in some visualizations, and that's why we went to Power BI and Collectiv. I'm Helene Abrams, CEO and founder of the eprentise companies.
I'm president and CFO of the eprentise companies, a group of software companies, one of which is Crystallize Analytics, where we are developing our new audit automation software. Data ultimately tells a story, and tabular data in rows and columns, well, it can be very well analyzed. It doesn't really tell the story. And one of the key things internal auditors need to do is they need to tell the story of their findings to their stakeholders. So in developing our product, we didn't only need visualizations that explained the results the auditors were having. We also wanted the visualizations to be a tool where the auditors could explore the data in ways they couldn't before. We had virtually no internal skill set with visualizations. We needed an expert to help us implement what our vision was, and even more importantly, to give us guidance on what Power BI could actually do to fully utilize what visualizations could bring to the audit platform. And that was definitely Collectiv.
They understood what we wanted, and they would be willing to transfer the knowledge to our team so that we could maintain and support the software on our own.
They came across as very knowledgeable, very willing to work with a software vendor, very personable, answered our questions, understood that we didn't know what we didn't know, and were very excited about our project. Collectiv allowed us to go ahead and implement the dashboards. They really thought creatively about what we were trying to do, very quickly understood that we really didn't want just graphs, the suggestions along the way, the creative problem solving. They were also very helpful in implementing the changes that we needed. All of that allowed us to go ahead and get to the point where we had those initial dashboards, and that was really a critical piece to us.
Our product team, they were very happy with the people on the Collectiv team and with the results that they were generating. There were some challenges, but everybody stepped up to the plate and enabled us to do this very rapidly with good quality results.
Beginning of summer was extremely important that we had those visuals ready to go. The entire team realized that time was of the essence, and they really buckled down. If the project had run too long, we would have potentially lost an entire year's worth of revenue. But it definitely was not an end product that came across as rushed at all. It was a very complete, very well thought out product. The visuals really let you dive into data in ways that just weren't possible before. It was a very good experience. They brought a lot of ideas to the table. We had some preconceived notions of what we wanted, but the team was not hesitant at all to tell us, it's yes, we can do it this way, but we really think this would be better. And every time they made those suggestions, they were pretty much dead on. And now we're confident that we've got a good product to go to market with that's really going to help us land those future sales. Collectiv did not deliver what we asked for. They delivered what we wanted.